Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get gift cards on the Zalando app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First we have to open up the Zalando app. And here it opens up in the home menu where we have our suggestions. From here we have to go into the top right corner and tap on the profile icon. Then under the overview section, we tap on gift cards, and here at the bottom we find the shop gift cards option, which we can tap, and then we can select one of these gift cards. There are multiple ones. There are physical gift cards. We can even get a gift box for it, and yeah. That's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.